Today we'll talk about Akhenaten, one of the most important kings in ancient Egypt. He was a pharaoh unlike any before him. Born as Amenhotep IV, he inherited the most powerful throne in the ancient world. But instead of preserving tradition, he broke it. From the moment he rose to power, Amenhotep IV began to drift away from the gods that had ruled Egypt for over 2,000 years. He turned his focus to one god, Aten, the visible sun disk, a symbol of life and light. By the 5th year of his reign, he changed his name to Akhenaten, which means effective for the Aten. With that name came a revolution. He shut down temples, banned the worship of other gods, and challenged the authority of the powerful Amen priesthood. In their place, he raised up Aten as the one and only true god, a move some historians consider the first act of monotheism in recorded history. To mark this new beginning, Akhenaten built an entirely new capital city in the desert. Far from the traditional centers of power, he named it Akhenaten, the horizon of the Aten, a city dedicated entirely to his god. Today we know it as Amarna. Life in Akhenaten was different. Art became more naturalistic and emotional. The royal family was shown in intimate, almost human scenes, Akhenaten kissing his children, Nefertiti standing as his equal. The pharaoh himself was portrayed with an oddly elongated face, narrow eyes, wide hips, and a protruding belly. No other Egyptian ruler had ever been depicted this way. Was it symbolic? Was it a medical condition? No one knows for sure. But the changes came at a cost. Akhenaten's religious revolution caused instability. Egypt's enemies saw weakness. The economy struggled. Internally, resistance grew. People in the priesthood had not forgotten the old gods. After 17 years on the throne, Akhenaten died. And with him, so did his vision. His son, originally named Tutankhamun, changed his name to Tutankhamun and restored the old gods. The temples of Aten were dismantled. Akhenaten was abandoned. Akhenaten's name was chiseled out of monuments. He was branded a heretic, a man to be forgotten. And for centuries he was, until archaeologists uncovered the ruins of Amarna in the 19th century. And his story began to re-emerge, mysterious, controversial, and fascinating. Was Akhenaten a spiritual visionary, a political disaster, a prophet ahead of his time, or a king blinded by obsession? We may never know the full truth. But one thing is certain, Akhenaten changed Egypt and history in ways no one could have imagined. If you liked the video, follow, subscribe, and leave a comment below to see more videos like this.